So here we have a boiler. So you have learned about the boiler, which is a method that is used in the moist heat. So in the boiler what we do is boil the instruments for at 100 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. So here again we are to help us, Mr. Dharmasiri, our technical officer, will demonstrate how we use this instrument. So when we use a boiler, we connect it to power and fill it with water, and the water will be boiling, and once it reaches the boiling temperature, it should be kept at that temperature for 30 minutes. So boiling water and the instrument should be kept in boiling water for 30 minutes. So that is the correct procedure of sterilizing by boiling, and this is a method which is used mostly in dental procedures and also in obstetrics units to sterilize speculums and things like that, which do not require complete sterilization, and these are instruments which can be used on semi-critical surfaces. Okay, so we will see how the instruments are loaded. So there is a tray where we can load instruments into the boiler, and these small forceps and things like that, which are small instruments used in small surgical procedures. And in the olden days, glass syringes were used. So you can also sterilize glass syringes with the boiler, and you can put it down, and there will be boiling hot water, and once you keep it there for 30 minutes, then you can get the instruments sterilized, which is safe to use on patients. So after 30 minutes you can take out the instruments carefully and use for the required purposes. Okay.